Okay, welcome to the second of the polynomials, which is the multiplying one. So just as previously, you don't have to have like terms. Just as previously in algebra, you don't have to have like terms. So, back in year 7 or 8 or year 9, whatever, had questions like 2x squared times 3x, 2x times 3x squared. So 2 times 3 equals 6, x times x squared equals x cubed, or 4 times 3 is 12 times 5 is 60, and then x times x is x squared. So you don't have to have like terms. You can do unlike terms. Now they're simple terms, but we're looking at polynomials. So come across when you're ready. Okay, so I've got a px and a qx, and when multiplying polynomials, we're going to use the distributive law like you've always done. When you've had two things by two things and you use the FOIL or whatever, you've been using the distributive law. So for instance, if I've got these two terms, I put the smaller bracket out the front rather than the larger one. So 4x is being multiplied by x squared by minus 5x and by 3, and then the 5 is being multiplied by x squared minus 5x and 3. So you did this with the FOIL. Now we're just going to do it with longer, bigger brackets. Now, and the other, when I show you the answer on the next board, we're going to show that rather than working our way across and just putting term after one after the other, we're going to line them up. So we're going to line them up underneath each other so we can match up the like terms. And when you see that, so we're going to line them up in a vertical manner, and you'll see what I'm talking about on the next slide. So just come across when you're ready. Okay, so we've got the same example as before. So we're just going to do the first 4x multiplying through. So 4x times x squared is 4x cubed. 4x times minus 5 is minus 20x squared. 4x times 3 is 12x. Okay, so there's your 4x being multiplied through. Now we'll do the 5 term. So 5 times x squared is 5x squared. So rather than putting the 5x squared here, I'm going to put the 5x squared underneath. 5 times minus 5 is minus 25x. So rather than going across and going longer and longer, we're going to line them up vertically. 5 times 3 is 15. And then once you've got that, then you add them. So you got 4x cubed minus 15x squared minus 13x and plus 15. Okay? So you will find it easier to do vertical arrangements rather than going long ways. Okay, copy that and come across. We'll do one more, I think. Okay, so here's another one. I want you to have a go yourself, and then when you're ready, come back and I'll be doing it with you as well. Okay, have a go now. Okay, so we're going to do x cubed times 2, so it's 2x5, x cubed times x is x4, x cubed times minus 4 is minus 4x cubed. So there's your first multiply. Now we'll do the minus 5x, so minus 5 times 2 is minus 10, and x times x squared is going to be x cubed, so I'm going to line it up there. Okay, so it doesn't line up there. So x times x squared is x cubed, so it has to line up on the x cubed terms. Minus 5 times x is minus 5x squared. Minus 5x times minus 4 is plus 20x. Okay, and then the last one, 1 times 2x squared would line up there. 2x squared. 1 times x is x. 1 times minus 4 is minus 4. And then you just add up the terms and you get 2x5 plus x4 minus 14x cubed minus 3x squared plus 21x minus 4. Okay, so that's your multiplying polynomials. Secret is go vertical, don't go horizontal. Thanks, bye.